I'm Nate Kersey, and today I'll be teaching you how to bar swing. Alright, first, you want to learn your bunny hops or horse hops, whatever you want to call them. You can go up, you can dolphin dive and land on your front or whatever. You can lean forward, you can bunny hop straight up, whatever. Then you need to know your foot positions. Normal, goofy, and ski. I ride normal, but you can ride goofy or ski if you want. Whichever way, if there's some other way, I don't give a fuck. But anyways, first you know your foot positions and your bunny hops, and then you can just throw your bars, just like throw them, or you can catch them like I do. I prefer to go under my arm, but if you want to go over your arm when you're catching them, you can throw and you can catch under your arm and pull it back. And that's basically all there is to it. You just throw them fast and catch them, just like that. You can do aqua bars, whatever way you do them. I'll show you a bar. And that's how I bar. That's my bar video. Peace.